What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. This is where I give you guys all the hottest and most potential gems in the crypto space, from altcoins to meme coins, you name it. We're checking it out on the channel. Caspians. Every time I check Kaspa price, good price. Every time I check Kaspa price, good price. Caspians, I hope you guys are doing amazing, man. Shout out to all of you guys. I appreciate all the support. Remember, Kaspa, you know, I have all my Kaspa videos in a playlist, so go rewatch them, guys. If you're a Caspian like myself, you hold Kaspa, please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, blow this video up, man, because guess what? The more awareness we spread of the project, the more the price goes up, right? Kaspa is a unicorn either way, and it doesn't care about the rest of the market, so it's gonna crush it either way, man. If you you know, if you were paying attention to the channel when I first started covering Kaspa on the channel, you'd be up, man. I started to cover it when I thought, you know, it made a retrace, because I missed the first initial run up last year. I'll be real with y'all, and I saw it, but I didn't do any research on it. I just saw a project that was going crazy. I was like, oh, you know, that's just gonna shoot up, and then eventually it's gonna cool off, and then, you know, just go into a huge consolidation phase. But it just kept going, so I was waiting for the moment it finally made a dip down to a good entry, and that's when I started to cover it on the channel, right? So if you was paying attention, you got some nice entries. But guess what? Kaspa's still very cheap, man. Until Kas is at like $1, it's cheap. Until it's at $1 to $5, guys, it's cheap, man. So blow this video up, make it go viral, spread it all over social media, share it on Twitter, man. If you're a Caspian, share this video all over, guys. We gotta keep continuing to crush it, right? Kas at 39 cents now, almost at 4 cents. It doesn't care, man. Bitcoin was retracing for the past week or so, and Kaspa was just like, whatever you do, Bitcoin, I don't care, man. I'm going to the moon, man. Like, so it's just been continuously crushing it at 775 million market cap now, 36.7 million 24-hour trade volume. Do your own research on Kas and the technology behind it, and you'll understand why it's, you know, performing so well, guys. Like, insane, man. A lot of people are starting to wake up to it now, and they're like, whoa, what is going on with this project? Why is this one pumping so hard, right? And it's actually a utility project. It's not a meme coin. It's not something that was launched on Ethereum with a ton of taxes, you know, on the DEX, right? It's actually like a great use case project that will stand, in my opinion, will stand the test of time, right? DMK1, I'm bullish on Kas. People are, you know, dropping bearish comments because they want the price to come back down, obviously. Kas feeling good, maybe a big life decision, and bought 100k Kas at 2 cents. Nice entry, man, from FASA. That 100k bag is gonna go far, in my opinion. It's gonna go really far. Luca Brack, I'm bullish on Kas. Kas coming for the top 10. Midnight Eye, Palo, total fake pump. Ultra ETH killer. He's saying a total fake pump. He didn't do his research, man. He ain't know the miners, and the hash rate of this thing is going crazy. Mineable proof of work. All the miners all the miners are what's making this project go so crazy, man. Like, honestly, like, that could be the only explanation. Well, the community is super bullish as well too, but with the hash rate just going up and up and up, Kaspa's price is following, just like Bitcoin. When the miners in Bitcoin and you know, the hash rate increases, the price goes up and up and up. That's why, like, every Bitcoin halving, the price goes up, because guess what? It's harder to mine. It's now it takes more hash power to mine, so price goes up. It's the same technology. The only difference is Kas, like, puts it on steroids, right? Compared to Ethereum and Bitcoin, it's on steroids. Let's continue with some tweets, guys. I got some stuff for y'all. Kaspa, from Kaspa Enthusiast. Kaspa shows incredible numbers, and that in a bear market. In my opinion, Kas will continue to climb and has been doing in recent months. I'm looking forward to the top 10, top 3. No top 10s for Kaspa. We going to top 3, man. And Kaspa won't be number 3. is absolutely crushing it, man. Kaspa enthusiast once again. It's no surprise to me that Kaspa is in first place. Top trending coins by Luna Crush alt rank with leading combined social and market activity. And number one, we got Kaspa taking the spotlight, taking over. Look at that, beating out projects like Filecoin, Oasis, Sandbox, Doge, GMX, Optimism, ICP, Cardano. We coming for the number one, man. We coming for that number one spot, man. Maybe not surpass Bitcoin, you know, but Ethereum, we are on your coattails. We are on Ethereum's coattails, man. Kaspa enthusiast, Kas has reached 4 cents again and is on the verge of a new all-time high. The all-time high of Kas was at 0.42 cents. I will keep you updated. Every time I look at Kas price, good price. Jim Ski Bum. Look at this all-time Kaspa chart denominated in BTC on CoinMarketCap, and it's very clear that Kas is sucking up the liquidity from Bitcoin. If you have been holding Bitcoin instead of Kaspa, you are losing out. Yeah, if you compare Kas to the rest of the market in general, Kas is like the top performer. The only other project that, you know, has been this strong in the space is Pepe, right? Because Pepe went to 1.7 billion like 2 weeks, right? But that's still just a meme coin. Even though retail investors will probably send Pepe going into the bull market, that's still just a meme coin. Who knows if it's gonna have staying power like in the future, right? Eventually meme coins do start to, you know, lose their hype and awareness. But when it comes to like a use case project, which is why people, you know, always talk about use case, utility, those are the ones you see as long-term investments, right? Not saying you can't make gains in meme coins and, you know, Pepe, for example, because I think that's going to be the biggest meme coin. Kas is the only altcoin that is a utility project, the only altcoin that has been performing this well, in my opinion, right? And, you know, we got the facts to show. Like, you compare it to, like, even from when it, you know, when it became a, when the beer market, I know you guys laugh at the way I pronounce beer market. Okay, I get it. It's my accent. I'm from the Caribbean. Cut me some slack. But when Kas was you know, shooting like to the moon, like pumping throughout the whole beer market, that's when people should have started paying attention, man, because it was one of the few projects that was like on a continuous uptrend throughout the whole beer market, right? And now it's continuing that trend, and imagine what's gonna happen going into the bull market. Like, let's take a look at the all chart. This price action from here, this was last year, man. This price action was all throughout the terrible market conditions we had last year, right? That was a sign like this project is like gonna be a beast, because everything was going down and it was one of the few ones that was continuously going up, and it's continuing that trend now, you know. So yeah, keep an eye out, man. Jim Ski Bum, imagine this scenario: smart contracts launch on Kas, Satoshi wallet wakes up and bridges BTC to Kas network, Satoshi swaps BTC for Kas. Whoo. Man, he pitting Kas against Bitcoin, man. Jeez, you know, I'd be happy we take Ethereum's spot, you know, Bitcoin digital gold, Kaspa digital silver. Sounds like a match made in heaven to me. But if we go for the number one spot, y'all, what y'all think? You see how blockchain looks compared to DAG, Ghost DAG technology? Infinite scaling, guys. You already know, guys. Kas is fully decentralized, founded by Jonathan, and we already saw a ton of the research that you know, when you go and do your research on Kas, you see a lot of the top projects like Ethereum, Filecoin, Cardano. All of them were using or implemented or talked about the same technology and protocols that Jonathan established, right? Like Ghost DAG and DAG Knight technology, and directed acyclic graphs, where, you know, we could go beyond blockchain, right? I know my name is Blockchain Daily, but you know, the average person just knows about blockchain, so it's more catchy to name myself that. From ER, Kaspa fully diluted market cap surpassed 1 billion. We are a unicorn. And that's what I'm saying, man. Kas is a beast, a monster. The unicorn in the altcoin market, in my opinion, man. And the price action shows it, the community shows it, the developments, the technology, everything points towards like this project being like the top, one of, like, if not the top, like one of the top projects in the space in the future, man. So Caspians, thank y'all so much for tuning in. Please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, blow this video up, make it go viral. Everything Cas and myself will be in the description, and I'll catch you in the next one.